I'm going to be showing you how to get pulls fast in Honkai Star Rail. So what you need to do first is do daily training. So complete daily training missions. That will help you get 60 stellar jades per day. It takes about 10 minutes and this is the easiest steady source. The second thing you can do is progress with the main story. Story quests give large amount of stellar jades and also unlocks new modes that give even more pulls. So this is the fastest method overall. You need to clear Forgotten Hall and Memory of Chaos. This will help you get jade rewards again, and you have Simulated Universe, which is very important. You can get extra jades from world clears, ability tree upgrades, and weekly score rewards. Do this every week and you're good to go. And all of this will help you get stellar jades, and this will help you pull fast in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.